لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Media Center of Indian Hajj Mission Makkah. The news read by Abdul Aziz. Today's headlines. Till today 1,23,171 Hujjaj Ikram reached India safely after performing Hajj. In last 24 hours, 79 Hujjaj Ikram availed medical facilities of Indian Hajj medical missions. And in last 24 hours, one Haji has expired. The news in details. Yesterday on 29th November 2012, 11 flights have departed from International Airport of Madinah Munawwara and carrying 3,360 Hujjaj Ikram who have reached India safely after performing Hajj. Till now, 408 flights have departed from Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and carrying 1,23,171 Hujjaj Ikram who have reached India safely after performing Hajj, out of which 223 flights have departed from Jeddah International Airport and carrying 68,722 Hujjaj Ikram, and 185 flights have departed from airport of Madinah Munawwara and carrying 54,017 Hujjaj Ikram who have reached India. In last 24 hours, 79 Hujjaj Ikram have availed of medical facilities of Indian Hajj Mission at Madinah Munawwara. Till now, 4,97,022 Hujjaj Ikram have availed of medical facilities of Indian Hajj Medical Mission. 24 hours, one Haji has expired at Makkatul Mukarramah. May Allah rest his soul in peace and grant him Jannah.